I'm drunk. You don't have an excuse. I feel like every bone in me body's broke. I did what I could. Oh, I've really hit rock bottom. Thankfully, I already don't remember this. Bloody hell! Buck up, lads. We'll get 'em next time. I almost joined their bloody team. We're a sorry bunch of losers. Medic! 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 Move the gear up, lads! Move that gear up! Move that kit up! Need a dispenser here! Need a sentry here! Need a teleporter here! Oh, me mother Tilly. Oh, bloody hell! Ah, creep! Bah! Good shot, lad! Good shot, man! Nice shot, man! No! Nah! Ah, no! Ah! 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 Oh! Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh! Ah! 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 Oh, that's smart! Bloody brilliant! Well, all right! That's the spirit! Ah, that's the stuff! That's the way you do it! Sentry ahead! Sentry coming up! Sentry up ahead! And that's what you get for touching that! Hey! Me bottle of scrumpy! You appear to have trodden on a mine! How's that feel, you blockhead? That was my point you were standing on! Next time you'll bloody ask before you stand on my point! Bloody hell, those ones were my favourites! Let that be a bloody lesson to you! I had me good eye on you the whole time! Couldn't you see the bloody bombs? Boom! Kablooey! We did it, mate! I didn't need your help, you know. Stand on the bloody point, you half-wit! Stand on the point, you git! All you dandies prancing about with your heads full of eyeballs! You great lactating wet nurse! I'm gonna stick me thumbs in your eyes and hang on till you're dead! Don't fret, boyo! I'll be gentle! Oh, I'm gonna beat you so hard you'll have a twitch! I'm gonna be all over you like shingles! You're making me very cross! Oh, they're going to have to glue you back together in hell! I'm going to blast you into thin gruel! Oh, they're going to find you all dead in the alley with cats licking at you! Not one of you's going to survive this! You're all bloody dead! Oh, I'm going to liquefy you. I'm going to strangle you with my bare hands! In your language, eat lead, laddies. They're going to bury what's left of you in a soup can. Thanks, mate. Hey, thanks. Hey, thanks, Duck. Thank you, Doctor. Thanks, Duck. Thanks for the raid. Thanks, lad. Hey, yeah, yes.
Doc. Come on, hit it, Doc. Charge me, Doc. Spies sapping my teleporter. Spies sapping my dispenser. Spies sapping my sentry. Erecting a dispenser. Dispenser going up. Sentry going up. Building a sentry. Teleporter coming right up. Teleporter going up. We got it. This one's ours now. This here point's ours now. Hell, that was easy. That's nothing. Weren't no thing. That just ain't right. Now I've seen everything. Dispenser down. Sentry down. Teleporter down. Fire. Fire. Ow. Oh, fire. Fire. I'm burning up. Cowboy up. Move him out. Giddy up. Hey-yaw. Yeah. Woo. Woo. Job well done. That wasn't even close. That there was a fine piece of work. Cream gravy. Yippee-ki-yay-ki-yo. Hey, boys, it's a spy. Spy around here. There's a spy creeping around here. That scout's a spy. That soldier's a spy. That heavy's a spy. That pyro's a spy. That demo's a spy. That spy's one of them. That medic's a spy. That engineer's a spy. That sniper's a spy. That spy ain't on our side. Get going. Move 'em out. Go, go, go. Nice job, partner. Good work. Nice job. Head left. To the left. Head right. Go right. To the right. Help! Help me! I need some doggone help. Help me capture this point. This point ain't gonna cap itself. Get over here. Need help capping this point. We gotta hold this point. I need help defending this point. Hold this point. Incoming. 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 Boo! Come on, fellas. Good night, Irene. Doc! Medic! Medic! Gotta move that gear up! We need a dispenser right here. We need a sentry right here. We need a teleporter right here. Somebody wanna wrestle up a teleporter right here? Darn. Oh, shucks. Damn it, fellas. Damn it. Oh, hell. Dag nabbit, damn it, damn dag nabbit, dagged nagget, nabbit, daggit. Hell of a shot, mister. Nice shot. Nice shooting, Tex. Nope. Nah, heck no. Well, don't that beat all? Sentry right up ahead. Sentry right up there. Woo-wee. Will you look at that? Another satisfied customer. Gutless. Oh, you yellow-bellied, gutless coward. Woo-wee.